Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1029 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to get to try out another ITEM Beauty product. And this is a product I got in my, here's Dexter, November 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. I almost always keep wanting to say box. But this is the Lid Glaze that I got in the shade Heart Drop. This has a retail value of $14. Oh, it says it's an Ipsy exclusive. It says it's like a lip gloss for your eyelids, which sounds so intriguing to me, to kind of give that like glossy look to the lids, which is becoming more of a trend, and I am really into it. It says it's infused with hyaluronic acid, which I think that's so cool to have hyaluronic acid in an eyeshadow-like product. This brand is cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and dermatologist tested. And so if you're not familiar with ITEM Beauty, it's Addison Rae's new makeup line, and it says it's infused with all of the good ingredients and none of the bad. And I actually tried out the brow pencil. It's called the Brow Chow, and it is so good. And I like that the price points are not too crazy, so I'm really into this brand. I hope that I'm gonna like this as much as I think I will. Thank you. And the packaging that the products come in is unique as well. So this is in a little resealable bag. The only thing is it doesn't have like a tear here part, so I have to take scissors to open it. I also love the packaging on the product with the kind of silver blue ombre, and where it says ITEM, I think it's clear so you can see the product. So here is what that looks like. So why don't I start out with a swatch? Dexter is very interested. Interesting. It's got a curved doe foot applicator. You see that? I feel like I've never really seen that shape. It's kind of like a C. I'm gonna do a swatch. Whoa, this is glossy, but it's pretty. It has glitter, it has shine, it has a kind of peachy shade. Here's what that swatch looks like. All right, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my eye. I'm gonna apply it with the applicator and then I'll probably blend it out with my finger like it says. It definitely dries down pretty quickly. And I don't know, I was expecting more like glossy shine, but it really just looks like sheer glitter. Like it has pretty big glitter pieces in it, which are just gold. And when I blend it out, it just looks clear with the tiniest kind of hint of that gold glitter. Why don't I try layering it up? Because I want to have more of that color on the lid. So, I don't know, it's weird to blend. Like it's kind of chunky to blend. But I feel like I just lightly blended it out and then I feel like I have like the full color. But this is really no different than any other liquid eyeshadow I've tried before. It's not super glossy, it's not super pigmented, but I do feel like when I apply it a lot, you can definitely see that color. But it's not my favorite shade. I just feel like this isn't the most flattering shade for me. I kind of want to take a little blending brush and see if I can blend out the crease. Kind of blends. I mean, it's not bad, but it's nothing special like I was expecting. It's basically just a glittery liquid eyeshadow. And you have to apply a lot of it to get that color to really show up. Like I feel like I can't even really blend it. Like I'm just applying it straight from the applicator here, and that's how I can get that color to show, but I don't love the color. On other people, this color might be really pretty, but I don't know, I just feel like it's not super flattering for me. I like how sparkly it is. I mean, it's not like I hate it, it's not terrible, but I'm definitely not wowed by this the way I was wowed by the brow pencil that I tried out from ITEM Beauty. I mean, it feels really comfortable on my eyelid as well. I mean, it's dried down, no transfer, so it really is long wearing. And I like that even though I have a lot of creases in my eyelid, it's not creasing. And a lot of liquid eyeshadows do tend to crease, but this has dried down securely, so does look good on the eye. But so I would just say this is a decent glittery liquid eyeshadow. That's really all there is to this, in my opinion. I don't think it really gives a wet lid look. It's not glossy on the eye. So I'm very curious if you have tried this product out, what your thoughts are on it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.